Upload your Word document into Microsoft Bing's Artificial Intelligence. Hello, in this video I will show you how to upload your Word document into Microsoft Bing's Artificial Intelligence platform so that you can chat with your own document. Microsoft Bing Chat is its artificial intelligence, powered by OpenAI GPT-4. OpenAI also created ChatGPT. First, download the Microsoft Edge browser, install it, and open the Microsoft Edge browser. Next, go to your Word document and save as a PDF file. Once you have your PDF file, go to Bing.com. In the Bing webpage, there is a search box. Grab your PDF file from the desktop and then drag it into the search box. The Microsoft Edge browser will then upload your PDF file. So what you're seeing right now is the Microsoft Edge browser. Inside of it is its rendering of the PDF file of this Shakespeare article. Next, in the upper right corner of the Microsoft Edge browser is an icon with a B inside of a red circle. This opens up the Artificial Intelligence Chat side panel. You have 3 conversation styles: creative, balanced, precise. Let's pick creative. Now in my chats, to make sure that the chat artificial intelligence is using my document, I will use the phrase "this page." So the chat on the right side window knows that I'm talking about this page in the left side. So my first prompt is this: summarize this page in 3 sentences. Summarize this page in 3 sentences. So the chat AI is acknowledging that it is searching my page. It says searching your page for information, and then it gives me what I want, what I requested, which is a summary of this page. So now that the chat has acknowledged my document, I can chat with it. I can do all the things that you can do normally with the Microsoft Bing chat on other web pages. So for example, let's do this. Based on this page, generate a poem. I'm going to put here less than 50 words. Press enter. And again, the chat AI acknowledges searching your page for information. And then it says here's a poem I wrote based on your page. It is less than 50 words. Shakespeare was a man of words, but also a man of deeds. He knew how to entertain the crowds and how to meet their needs. Okay, it's rhyming there. He built a brand of wit and charm. He bargained for his share. He ran a business with his art and left a legacy rare. Pretty good. So again, the key steps is go to your Word document, save as a PDF file, go to Bing.com in a Microsoft Edge browser, grab your PDF file, drag it into the search box, let it process, then go to the upper right corner of the Microsoft Edge browser, click that and open up the chat box. Select your conversation style and then chat with it. And I recommend in your chat to make sure that you reference this page, and then chat will acknowledge saying searching your page for information, and then perform various AI functions that you can normally do in the Microsoft Bing chat.